Alam mo ba, mas ramdam ng dogs ang init kesa sa atin? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero I've been an animal welfare advocate for almost 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Dogs don't sweat like we do, kaya sobrang bilis nila mag-overheat. Kaya kahit ang feeling mo ay okay lang sa'yo, for them, sobra na yan. Heat can make them uncomfortable, stressed, or even sick. Lalo na sa small breeds at sa older dogs. Kaya itong tips na to, simple lang, pero sobrang important. Number 1, painumin sila ng fresh water palagi. Lagyan mo yung inumin nila kahit saan sila, sa loob ng bahay or sa labas. Number 2, avoid midday walks. Morning or late afternoon lang, kapag cooler, para mas malamig. 3, provide shade and ventilation. Kahit maliit na fan o dalhin mo sila sa shaded area, malaking bagay na yan. These small adjustments, they really save lives. Always remember, comfort is one of the greatest forms of care. That's why comfort counts. Kaya check nyo ang inumin nila at kung nasa shade sila. Make small changes today para safe and comfortable sila sa init. Kasi sa kanila, kahit simple care, malaking love na yan. Save this tip and follow for more.